Hey guys, welcome back to your girl's channel. In this video, I am going to show you how I achieve this simple but classy cut crease. Stay tuned. As you guys can see, I already started my eyebrows off camera, so now we're going to get into these eyelids. I am using a Real Technique 300 Deluxe Crease Brush to apply the concealer to my eyelids. Do y'all see how this brush is bringing it? Now we're going to use Juvia's Warrior Palette, the color Kano, as my first color of my choice. This color is a nice soft brown. It's very light, but it's complementing my skin tone very well. Then I'm going to go into my second color, which is a little darker. It's Mino. This color right here is so underrated. At first, when I seen it, I was like, no, that's too dark for my skin. But when I applied it, I fell in love. And I must say, this is the must go-to. Anastasia Eye Primer to use for my cut crease. But you're also going to need a flat brush such as this Bdellium tool. You can order this off Amazon. Now I'm just putting a little bit of the Anastasia Eye Primer on top of my little plate. You don't need a lot, but I'm sure you're going to need more than what I use. Because trust me, I'm going to use some more. So I like to just dab a little bit on my eye. And I like to also look up. So that kind of helped me to know where I would start my cut crease.